Morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my students and my viewers. This is the channel Unconventional Learning, and we are here today to discuss everything about the objective questions which is there in your model paper JAC 2021. Okay, so you can just go in the description box and find the link where I have already made a video on the entire board paper, that is the model paper for your JAC board English core. So this video will mostly and mainly talk about the objectives of your literature part. Alright, so without wasting any further time, let us begin. Alright, so now beginning, this is, I think we have this in the section C, that is literature. You'll also have it here on the screen so that you won't have any problem. Now it's written multiple choice questions. Read the following extract and answer the following questions from 20 to 23. So there are 4 questions which are based on this particular extract. Now what it is, let us see. Driving from, it should be, it is written form. My parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning. I saw my mother beside me, doze open-mouthed, her face ashen like that of a corpse, and realized with pain. Okay, so here the author is talking about her mother. Now those who have already read the poem and they know which poem it is actually all about. So the first question, which is name the poem, and it is my mother, option B, my mother at 66. All right. Now the second question, who has composed the given poem, which is Kamala Das. Okay, she's the author. Now third question, which is the most tricky one, because many have just contacted me and asked this question because they are finding it very confusing, which is where was the poet driving to? A, parents' home, B, the airport, C, the city, and D, Cochin. Now whenever you're having any kind of doubt, why is that extract given? That extract is given because you can go back to it and find out and clear your doubt. So let us go back to it so that we can understand it better कि ये question का answer हो क्या सकता है. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday. So यहाँ पे लिखा था where was the poet driving? She was driving from her parents' home to Cochin last Friday. So she was driving to Cochin and not her parents' home or not the airport, because it's written she was driving from her parents' home to Cochin. So यहाँ question क्या है? Where was the poet driving to? So the answer will be Cochin. Okay. Now I hope this is clear. Now 23rd question, who was sitting beside the poet? Obviously we are talking about someone. She's saying in the extract itself it's written I saw my mother, so her mother is sitting beside her. I think now here till here you have the questions which are only based on the extract. Now from 24th onwards other chapters will be included, and then from there on you will have Flamingo Prose and Vista's book, etc. 24th question, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Obviously it's a fact, its loveliness increases. Because it's a joy forever, obviously its loveliness रुका नहीं रह सकता, it will keep on increasing. Now again another question, 25th question, referring to the poem an elementary school classroom in a slum, where are the children sitting? So where are they sitting? They are sitting in the classroom. The option number B will be the correct answer. 26th question, who was sitting at the back of elementary classroom? So a tall girl or an old lady, a sweet young boy, or a paper seeming boy. Now obviously यहाँ पर तुमको ये poem आना पड़ेगा, because if you don't know what the poem is already all about, you will not be able to answer. So they were sitting. यहाँ पर question क्या है? हमेशा जब भी doubt हो, what you have to do, you have to just read the question. What is the question? Referring to the poem an elementary school in a school classroom in a slum. So where were they sitting, the students? Sorry, the title, what it says, the elementary school classroom in a slum. So they must be sitting in a classroom. Now another question, Sorry, 27th question. What are the things of beauty mentioned in the poem? A thing of beauty. Now, sun and moon is already mentioned. Young trees and streams, flowers are also mentioned. So, the last option, all of these should be the answer. Where has Sahib come from? Now, obviously, those who know the chapter, they know it is Dhaka. Now, when you get the word Dhaka, the option Dhaka, it's the first option. But what you have to do, you have to go through all the options. Beijing, Islamabad, Burma. No, Dhaka is the correct option. Then question number 29. Sometimes I find a rupee in the garbage. Who is the speaker of this line? Now, obviously, whenever such type of question comes where you are unable to understand, just see the question before it. Might be it is of the same chapter. It's not a complete trick, but might be it is of the same chapter. So, who says I find rupee in the garbage? In garbage वाला काम यहाँ पर अगर तुमको डाउट हो रहा है कि कौन होगा सही आंसर, that is Anis Jung, Sahib, Mukesh और Savita. You're not able to remember. जस्ट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, कौन था जो गार्बेज के पास रहता था और कचरा उठाता था? साहिब. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी साहिब. ओके. नेम द सिटी वेयर मुकेश लिव्स. मुकेश कहाँ रहता था? नाउ देयर इज अहमदाबाद, फिरोजाबाद, इलाहाबाद, दिल्ली. नाउ दिस यू नीड टू मेमोराइज. तुम कहीं ना कहीं सुने होगे, जब तुम पढ़ाई कर रहे होगे तो तुमको याद रह जाएगा एंड विल हेल्प यू इन योर एग्जाम्स. which country was defeated in the Franco-Prussian war? Which country was defeated जिसके वजह से दिक्कत हो रहा था and language was getting changed? France was defeated. So option A is France, B is Prussia, C is Germany, D is none of these. France will be the correct option. Which language was taught by M. Hamel in the school? Now obviously we all know this, that M. Hamel was a teacher and he was a French teacher. So he used to teach French. Who is the author of Deepwater? Jane Austen, Alphonse Daudet, William Douglas and Bama. So the correct option is William Douglas. He was the author of the Deepwater. Now again and again I'm saying, if you want to memorize and learn the authors, you need to learn it and stick it somewhere in your room so that now and again your eyes fall on it and you'll be able to memorize all the authors, all the poets and everything. Okay. Now 34th question. Indigo is an excerpt from the book of the author. Now this question is also given in your exam target. The life of Mahatma Gandhi. Now, who was Rajkumar Shukla? A frequently asked question. It is majority times this question is asked. A, look at the option. A, government official. B, a poor peasant. C, lawyer. D, politician. Now how will we understand? Government official tha Rajkumar Shukla? No. Poor peasant tha? Yes. But still we'll see the other options. Lawyer tha? No. Politician tha? No. So a poor peasant, you get confirmed कि हाँ यही correct answer है. You have, who is the writer of We Too Are Human Beings? Zitkala Sa, Bama, John Updike and Kalki. Now obviously We Too Are Human Beings because इस chapter में बार बार ये चीज़ बोला गया है कि आनंद ने बामा को क्या advice दिया, बामा का behavior कैसा था. So Bama is the writer of this story. 37th question. Who is the main character of the story The Tiger King? A, Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram. B, Maharaja of Shantipuram. C, Maharaja of Shaktipuram. And D, none of the above. Now by the sound of it I can understand and we all know the answer. It is Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram. Now this question is also there in your exam target. Who was Jhansi in Going Places? This is the question. Who was Jhansi in Going Places? A, Sophie's mother? No. B, Sophie's friend? Yes. C, Sophie's sister? No. D, Sophie's teacher? No. So Sophie's friend was Jhansi, जो उसको बार बार हमेशा सही रास्ता दिखाती थी. And Sophie used to be in her own little world. Okay. How many years did Gondwana exist? Now this is a very controversial question because many say 500 million years, many say 650 million years. So here the question is this and the answer is 50 million, 60 million, 70 million. So obviously something which is close to 500 is 650 million. So I chose that. Who was Dr. Sadao? Now we have already been listening and knowing and studying from the exam target or from the MCQs or from the subjective questions that Sadao helped an American soldier and took care of him or just attended him and ये कौन कर सकता है? Someone who is a doctor. Okay, so he a teacher, a bus conductor, a doctor, a soldier. So obviously he was a doctor because he attended the patients. 41. In which hour was the Prince of Pratibandhapuram born? Now this you have to know from the chapter itself. A option is in the hour of the bull, B in the hour of tiger, C in both A and B, D none of the above. Now the correct option will be in the hour of the bull, not in the hour of the tiger. Just because this is from the chapter Tiger King, it doesn't mean that he was predestined. It's just a prophecy which happened after his birth. Let the tigers beware. Who said this? Let the tigers beware. Who said this? 42 number question. A. Astrologers. B. Psalmist. C. Prince Jung Bahadur. And D. The minister. So, who said let tiger beware? The Prince Jung or Jung Bahadur. You need to memorize this. You need to know this. Okay. Now the two MCQs are left. Whose face was burned away by acid? Now we have already seen when we were studying the subjective, the solution of the model paper, that Derry was a boy, a 14-year-old boy जिसके चेहरे पे acid गिर गया था, and he suffered from a lot of lack of self-confidence. So option is Derry's mother, Mr. Lamb, Derry's sister, Derry. Correct option is Derry. Bama was the pen name of dash Dalit writer, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Marathi. So Bama was the pen name of a Tamil Dalit writer. She was a woman, and her pen name, somebody asked me what does pen name mean. Pen name is the name you use to the name you attach to your piece of work, that okay, this person has written. You do not like your original name to be that famous or that controversial, so you attach a pseudonym जो एक fake नाम होता है. So this is what it is all about, the MCQs. Now please tell me that it is not difficult at all, because it is scoring and you can easily get a 30 out of 30. So please focus on that. Now the next part which we have is fill in the blanks by choosing the answer from the box. Now this is so simple because they have given you options in the box. And it is not just like that, it is not like you will not be able to at least guess which is the correct answer. So this 5 marks is guaranteed if you know how to answer. First question is Sophie, the 45th question. Sophie and Jansi are described to work in the dash factory. So when Sophie used to be in her own world and Jansi used to bring her down back to reality, what did she say? They were going to work in what factory? Now the question number 46. Most of the arable land in Champaran districts were divided into large states owned by English. Obviously now this is a Champaran district. The lands are huge. Who will own it? Option देखो, Englishman है, Biscuit है, Japanese है, Participle Madras है. तो क्या सबसे ज़्यादा बैठ रहा है? Englishman. 47th question. Dr. Sadao Hoki's house was built on the spot of the Japanese. So his house was built on the spot of the Japanese. France was expected to be prepared with participles. So that is a chapter which France did not study and he did not want to go to school. The last question which we have of fill in the blanks is when the 100th tiger was not found dead, the Diwan brought a tiger from People's Park in Madras. Okay, so the 100th tiger was not being found. What did Diwan do? He brought a tiger from People's Park in Madras. So the importance of king was so much that if the desired tiger was not available, they brought something else from somewhere else so that he could be cool. Okay. So this is all for your objective model paper. Now when you read it, you see to it that you read all the 4 options, you read all the options which are mentioned in the fill in the blanks, and it's not possible that you won't be able to score well. Surprise I have tomorrow, and I will give it to you all. That you need to wait and watch. Okay, so this is all about objective. Please share it with your friends, let them know if they are in need. If you haven't subscribed yet, yes, please subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell so that and subscribe if you want to get more videos on your JAC board preparation, more videos on how to improve your English speaking skills, and more videos on how to be just happy in life. Okay, so this is all for today. We'll meet again soon. Until then, please be safe and take care of yourself.